Sound of words, exploring onomatopoeia in literature. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to delve into an intriguing aspect of descriptive language techniques, onomatopoeia. We will explore how onomatopoeia is used in literature to create vivid imagery and bring stories to life. Remember, onomatopoeia refers to words that imitate the natural sounds they represent. So, let's dive in. In literature, authors use onomatopoeia to immerse readers in the story's environment. They use it to bring sound to the reader's mind, create atmosphere, and enhance the mood. Words like buzz, whisper, gurgle, and clap are all examples of onomatopoeic words. Using these words in a narrative can help paint a more vibrant and realistic picture of the story in the reader's mind. Let's look at some examples of onomatopoeia in literature to see how it works. In Edgar Allan Poe's poem, The Bells, the word tintinnabulation is an example of onomatopoeia, used to mimic the sound of ringing bells. Another classic example is found in Lewis Carroll's Jabberwocky. The line, "Slithy toves did gyre and gimble in the wabe," includes the onomatopoeic word gimble to suggest a kind of whirling motion. By using onomatopoeic words, these authors manage to evoke a specific auditory experience in the reader's mind, enhancing their engagement with the text. Now, how can you use onomatopoeia in your own writing? First, think about the sound that you want to describe. Then, find or create a word that imitates that sound. It's not just about obvious sounds like bang or pop. Consider subtler sounds, like rustle, murmur, or sizzle. Remember, using onomatopoeia can make your writing more dynamic and engaging. It helps your readers visualize the story better and connects them more deeply with your narrative. That brings us to the end of our discussion on onomatopoeia in literature. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Onomatopoeia is a powerful tool to create a rich, auditory environment in your writing. Practice it, play with sounds, and see how it can enhance your English skills. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Happy writing!